Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle motor wheels. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, N-Power Bicycle Hub Motor Wheel. Specifications. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts to 72 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. Rated power, 2000 watts. Peak power, 4000 watts. Speed, 60 to 70 km per hour, 75 to 85 km per hour. Color, black. Dropout, 135 millimeters. Rim size, 20-inch, 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29, 700C. Max no-load RPM, 700 revolutions per minute. Max torque, 70 Nm. Max efficiency, 88%. Waterproof grade, IP54. Origin, China. Product number 4, 20-inch electric bicycle rear wheel. Specifications. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Speed, 50 km per hour. Controller, 48 volts, 130 amperes. Rim size, 20 inches. Power, 1000 watts. Origin, China. Product number 3, CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, CSC. Size, 29-inch. Wattage, 201 to 300 watts. Voltage, 36 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Power, 250 watts, 350 watts, 500 watts. Origin, China. Product number 2, CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, CSC. Size, 26 inches. Mounting position, rear drive. Wattage, 1000 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. Origin, China. Product number 1, Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Ray. Voltage, 36 volts to 48 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Type, Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Power, 250 watts, 350 watts, 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts. Installation, rear or front. Size, 20-inch, 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29 IN, 700C. Thumb throttle, Wuxing 130X. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.